I was excited to leave, but after all these years, I'm excited to be back.
During the Cold War, the Marines' mission was to provide security for 76 10-kiloton nuclear warheads secured on a small naval base in the middle of the Aleutian chain between Alaska and Russia. It was isolated, considered a hardship post for the young Marines serving with Marine Barracks, Adak, Alaska. Many swore they would never come back. Yet, on August 3rd, 2024, 4 Marines did return for a 7-day mission. After several months of planning, they clicked as a classic fire team, roaming around the base and sharing their experiences with each other, many long forgotten, and very much mindful of what they wanted to accomplish: to create a documentary, to share a forgotten sliver of history about Marines serving on Adak, to honor a fallen Marine who died on Adak during a search and rescue mission, in addition to squaring away the Marines Memorial Park on the island, and to collect Cold War artifacts around the naval base for the National Museum of the Marine Corps. Join us in this epic journey to Adak to tell a never-before rough-hewn story, produced entirely by Marines, the Cold War Marines of Adak, Alaska, a documentary.